Do you fucking like that? Because we're going to teach you how to make that
We're
shit.
going to show you how to make it right now. I'm Garrett.
I'm Morgan.
We're FOMO. Let's get into it. Ladies and gentlemen, we are going to be showing you how we made the war horns from our FOMO Fire Pack, which is out now. $34.99. Best fucking $35 plus tax you'll ever spend in your life.
Big eggplant energy.
You want to make big-ass beats? Well, we just gave you the secret formula, the fucking secret Krabby Patty formula. God damn it.
Here's a couple more of these fucking Blastoise warns.
Warns.
I'm okay.
Warns.
War horns. War
We're
horns.
fine. We're fine.
Here we
We're just
go.
a little excited.
So a little taste here.
So not only if you buy the pack are you going to be getting those, but today we're going to be giving you the rack to how we made those. It's going to be in the description right down somewhere over there. So definitely snag that. We're using all Ableton stock instruments, so
Yeah.
you can
And these
just
are
do
fucking
it right out of the
sick.
box. So we're going to give you the secret recipe right here now. Morgan, break it down for us.
All right. Let's fucking get it. Okay. So straight up, we just go operator and then just put it in the or whatever note that you want it in for the most part. And then that's what it's going to sound like to start. So what's going on here is we're just routing. So this is operator, and it's just an FM synth. And we're just, all the FM is going from D all the way down to A. So it's just going bam, 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 bam. Like,
Bim, bam, boom, bam,
yeah,
boom.
as if you had like 4 oscillators in Serum or whatever. And there's not a ton of logic to this. You could get sick results doing pretty much everything in terms of the tune. These coarse and fine knobs are acting as the tune of the FM of these other oscillators. I'm okay, I promise.
Where's our assistant? We don't have an assistant? What kind of racket is this?
Yeah.
Wake up! It's called the FOMO Fire Pack. I need you fired up, dialed in.
Okay, so the main thing you're gonna want to do is you just want to listen for something that sounds good over here, and you could just always go back and change this later on in the after we make it sound better. But yeah, you just
More better.
Usually 3, 5, 7, 9 sounds pretty good over here, and
365, damn girl fine.
3, 6, 9, damn girl is fine.
Ladies and gentlemen.
And then turning this fine tune on the oscillator A makes it like kind of warble because it's acting as like a D tune kind of deal. So
It's got a little wonkiness right out of the box.
So if we turn this up, you could more exaggerated. Yeah, so we just put that down like a small amount. It gives it like because like when you blow on a horn, it's not like one constant note the whole time. So
there's like a little natural vibrato.
Yeah, when you blow on shit.
When you blow shit, we're not gonna get into that right now.
Oh, so yeah, this one knob. This is acting as just like the velocity or the amplitude of just the gnarliness of the horn. So yeah, you're just gonna do whatever you want with this. Usually if you have it just sweep up, it sounds good like we have right here. You could see.
Yeah, so you're just gonna want to automate this.
Yeah.
So it transforms over time. It's not just one constant.
Yeah. And just to
wall of
explain
sound.
this is mapped to the level of B, and you could pretty much put this on any of the levels. And also the filter, so it's just opening up a low pass, kind of like making it more distorted as the sound goes on.
Yeet.
And then I forgot to mention we have a little bit of noise on D, which is going through all of them as well, because like a horn would have noise in it or whatever. All right, so what are we gonna do with these?
I'm not gonna say it.
We're just gonna peel these back.
Daddy, chill.
I was gonna say we're gonna break them down.
First off, yeah, we saturate the crap out of it, and that's just distorting it pretty much. So that's the only logic you need to know about that.
Yep.
And then adding a bunch of white noise erosion, and you could mess around with these other types. Usually I just do noise or wide noise. The sine, I don't know. We'll see.
Hey.
It'll probably be sick. Yeah.
Play
So
around.
yeah, that's just adding a bunch of noise because like horn has noise.
Yeah,
And
I mean,
it's
this will be
distorted.
your rack as soon as you finish watching this video. So get creative, play around with it.
And next up, we got this 3-band frequency splitter. This is a little in depth here.
Little in depth. Are
So-
you using it for this?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's
All right.
important. It's importante. Okay, so we just split the frequency spectrum into 3 different bands, not brands. I was gonna say it.
Brands will make her dance.
And this just allows us to wow, dude. All right,
One more and I'm out. I walk.
This allows us
Jeez.
to affect the different frequency bands in different ways. Okay, I'm okay. So we have just an EQ8 on 3 different bands, and then to separate them, and then you could just control the cutoffs over here. So low band is nothing's happening here. I just wanted to keep it dead center. And then in the mids, just got a chorus, just adding a little bit of stereo width. On the highs, I don't even know the thought process behind this, bro.
Separate chorus.
I was probably just messing around with different stereo width kind of deals.
If it sounds good,
yeah.
it's good.
Yeah, because sometimes when you put, especially with the mids and highs, when you put like a high wet, like stereo widening thing on the mid, it kind of like sounds muddy and stuff. So I just like to mess around with affecting them in different ways. So yeah, put a flanger on there, put a phaser on there, it doesn't matter. Yeah, so that's just making it wider. Yeah. Next up, we got Overdrive, and this is just distorting again. Stock settings. I think we just mess with this band pass a little bit. Yeah, starts over here. Just bring it down.
Keep it nice and dark.
Still almost nothing, which is why I emphasize going backwards as soon as you get something that's like loud.
Yeah.
So again,
even more noise.
More noise. And the thought process with this, as we're like building these, is just like we have a database of different things that we would normally put on these. It's not like we're doing it purposely one after another. It's just like,
yeah, like, oh, this for sure needs one more erosion right here. It's more just like, I know that will affect it in a cool way, so I'm going to try it. And sometimes we'd put something like that and then delete it immediately.
Yeah.
But it's in there because it sounded good.
Yeah, so we know erosion is going to help the sound at some point, so we'll just try it everywhere.
Try them in different spots.
Maybe try 3 of them and see what happens. Next up, OTT. And it's not really about these exact settings right here. It's just about like pulling these bands up to fit what you have in your operator.
Yeah, so you'll see the middle bands pulled up quite a bit.
Yeah.
That's because you want it to be like pretty mid-focused.
Yeah.
So that's where the meat's coming from.
Yeah, so you just want to drag these to taste based on the distortion you're getting out of your operator. And next up, we got the Everything Thick OTT, which you guys should have.
Yeah.
And again, this is just mashing everything loud as a motherfucker.
And that's as big as it gets, so I don't know what else you want from us.
And then just a reverb rack with the super long reverb, just because it's a battle horn.
It's a battle horn.
There's a battle starting. So we're in an open field
now.
Or something.
Yeah. You got a bunch of Vikings sprinting through a grass field coming at you. This is what you hear. So you're going to need some fucking reverb.
Exactly. Yeah, just put it in its space. And then, yeah, just soft clip at the end to make sure it's not clipping out of the channel. And just to now peel back even one more time,
Daddy,
I'm going to go and mess with this, the pitching on the operator just to show you guys the different kind of results you could get. So it's really easy to just get your own sound from
from this. You don't have to, this isn't just a one-trick pony. You can dial in a bunch of different stuff and get a bunch of different cool results.
Yeah, and it's pretty much just sick no matter what you do.
Every time.
Yeah. Whoa. It's sick every time.
It's cool every single time.
And you just make 100 of these, and then you start every song with them.
Yeah.
It's trap.
That's it.
Yeah.
That's pretty much it.
Get the FOMO Fire Pack.
Get the FOMO Fire Pack.
Help your boys out. We
if
can't
you're
play
lazy,
shows, dude.
then you don't even need the rack. We got the horns in the pack, baby. Come on.
Let's go.
Shit.
So snag that pack if you haven't yet. It is $34.99, not $35. It is not $35.
Well, that would be too expensive. $34.99 is the perfect price point.
$94.99.
I know it's been a tough year, so that extra penny we're throwing it back to you. So it's for the kids.
You made a penny from this.
Yeah, you basically made money off buying our pack. Other than that, grab this rack from the description so you can get creative with some of your own. I don't know, use ours in a cool way, get some crazy results.
I mean, you can see how
the possibilities are endless. The possibilities are endless. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Little insight into how we're making some of the sounds from our pack. Go grab it. It would really mean a lot to us and the boys. We worked super hard on it. We're super excited. It's finally out and about for you guys. So have a field day with it. Love you guys. We'll see you next time.